It's 5:30. It's so early. And we're going fishing. It rained all night last night, like all night. It was like torrential rain. How long have you been fishing for?
10 minutes.
Really? Have you felt any bites?
No.
Now 6:15 and the sun is up. It feels about 20 something degrees, and we're fishing just in front of the Mount Agung. We've seen a lot of fishermen come through, some of them who've put out a net. Check out this boat. Pretty skinny, eh? They have a life jacket on the boat. So this is called trawling. Trawling is when you put the line in the water and then you just keep going, like the boat just moves. The sunrise, so beautiful. It's cloudy, but it's very, very beautiful. Around there is where we're staying. The other day we went snorkeling, and the thing was, because it had rained, it was a little bit murky, but oh my goodness, the fish underneath these waters are so beautiful. This is literally costing $20. What a bargain.
So far, so good.
Yeah. Woo! It's now 6:45. We've been circling this area. What would you say this is? A cove? They've had no luck. When we got out here, it felt a bit cool, but it feels nice and warm now. This is the sunniest we've seen it the whole entire time that we've been here. And let me just draw some attention to how surreal it is to be going fishing right by an active volcano, which I hope doesn't erupt. Some people actually live on the foot, like at the beginning of that volcano. Pretty ballsy. Apparently these mountains here, these mountains are green right now. They're green right now because it's the rainy season. Around June, apparently those mountains are all going to be brown. Fishing. Exercising my arms. Oh, there it is.
Yay.
Oh, that's a nice one. Yay! What fish is that?
This is like
it's beautiful. Mackerel. It's beautiful.
Okay.
High five.
Mission accomplished. We got one. It's now 7:20 and the sun is well and truly up. We've caught one fish. And of course it happened as I was handing the line back to Billy. Every morning that we've been here, I've seen clouds above the mountains. But today, I don't really see anything, so I hope this is an indication that it's not going to rain today. A bit over the rain, to be honest. We were actually considering moving yesterday, like going to a different place, maybe to Uluwatu or Seminyak, because we heard that maybe there's a possibility that it wasn't raining that much. But we ended up doing it because we ended up drinking beer. Today and tomorrow are the last 2 full days that we've got, so...
Good.
It's now 1:23 p.m. We've just come back from a snorkel. We went to a Japanese shipwreck. I wish I had brought my GoPro, but I didn't, so I don't have any footage for you. Go and get dry. Have I shown you much of the room? Pretty much what it is. Entrance, room. Does this mean the fish is coming out soon? I'd like to think so. place called The Grill. I think 2016, 2015.
Thank you.
What Billy and I are realising now is that we should have done a research. The reason we even are here is because our neighbour at our current spot talked about it. He gave us 3 good places to go to, which we've been seeing every day. But during the day, it's just dead. The city is asleep, but I think that's because it's been raining the whole entire time. So this place is called The Grill. And then there's another place which is known for a mix of food, so like Italian food, Western food, and it's called Gusto's. And then there's another spot back closer to our spot in Amed. That place is called Galanga. We were just talking about how the food hasn't been spectacular. I mean, we're literally paying $20 a night, so I think that's a given. This is our last night here. We've chosen to move to Seminyak tomorrow just because it's just been wet the whole entire time. So we're hoping that we're just going to go and move into a place like a normal place, maybe get dry, hopefully.